Hello everyone, my name is Alvin. Welcome to my Excel Basic tutorial. And the next things I'm gonna tell you is how to make a sequence. Just like everybody in class has an individual number, so I'm going to tell you how to make a sequence of numbers. And I'll show you the hard way first. And I can type 1 in the first cell, hit enter. Type 2 on the second cell, hit enter. I can keep doing this and complete my whole sequence. But in Excel, that way is too time consuming. So we can use the convenient method in Excel. I can just type 1 and hit enter and type 2 and stop. And I choose the range of the 2 and put my mouse on the right corner of the range you describe. So you can notice my mouse cursor changing to the black cross, and I click and hold on and drag it to the last person. This is my sequence of number. That's because Microsoft Excel can judge the regularity between the two numbers I type. So the difference between the two numbers is difference by 1. So Excel can obey the regularity and make a sequence for you. It's very convenient, and now it's up to you to give it a try. So I'm going to create a formula in the cell, and this is the strongest function Excel features. It can be put in anywhere, and the first formula I'm gonna do is sum formula. And I want to do it here, so I click on a cell, and whenever I do a formula in Excel, I think to myself the phrase is this cell. So I type this cell equals, and I want to find out the total amount of these 5 subjects. So I need to somehow add up all the numbers, and let me show you the hard way first. Here we have 72, and we have 70, and have 68, have 81, and 90. And I can keep doing this, basically create my whole formula. And all I have to do is just hit enter and look at add up all the number. This is my total number. So, but the thing is, that way is too tedious. So I'm gonna show you another convenience way. So instead of doing that, what I can do is type in the word sum. So the cells is equal to the sum of, and then you put a left parenthesis. It's necessary. You cannot forget it. And now I just need to describe the range that I want to add up. Just like what I said before, I can name a range. Every range in Excel has a name, and the name of the range is E5 through I5. So what I can do is move my mouse between the first cell and click and drag it to the right to the I5 cell and relax. And all I can do is just tap enter and look what is done. The total score of Andy is 381, and if you want to make sure it works, you can double click on it and look at highlight the numbers that included in the formula. Then it's correct. This is our range. Now we have a giant data. However, we don't have to do the formula one by one. I can just put my mouse on the right corner of the cell, and you can see my mouse cursor changing to a black cross, so you can click and drag down, and Microsoft Excel can copy the formula for you. It's very convenient and save you a lot of time here. Alright, so there's goes an end with my 4th class, and in my 5th class I'm gonna teaching you more useful formula you can use in your Excel. So see you next time. Bye.